Adolfo, any Ashefo Amoshemi right now, meeting the director Mickey. We are going to be talking more about nursing content. So who space we say near Tali we are Obi and Shebu internet so and man who quine and mobile fraud and man who quine and obi and you sick bindi. Debbie director Mickey Miamini Obama DM so I'm a voice note and man who say yes, this is the director Mickey or Kasaye or a year nursing interview since so YouTube no. Aye. So social media that's right. 2025-2026 academic year a nursing training application academic year a mobile din kakra ebia emonso ebetimi ayemre kakra ningina no you have to find a plug awodo ho beto so na ma ompai bo ene nyoma ba ku mienu a oye say obe successful in your nursing training application na wetima akosu ade no mpono no etimi successful. It's not easy becoming a health practitioner in Ghana. Ayen hu say wo moral values no na owo nyoma ba ku mienu miensa bi. You look like someone who hasn't been trained at all when it comes to the ethics in nursing. Into brand training so wow apply be da bra. There are new updates. I was here the mount current affairs for. Now, my questions about current affairs. Me the two jawu di America and beba me DM. No one ba ababejo nursing interview guide 2025 comprehensively by Director Mickey. We enya 17 bia. I just say we need internet. So near my bia now we new a PDF file. I put it together up to about 18 pages this time round. Now no so ujia or share unya any other updates bia because you bring a notification of you sharing our enoma without our permission. Intellectual theft. Madam Fubi say a be or nursing interview guide nibi. Oh sorry, I know a question now they got to group bimo. You are actually hurting yourself. Don't come back to my DM asking for aptitude test questions and answers because this year you put it together all the necessary questions a bit me abba in the interview. Not just here, with their respective answers, and you don't have to research. Anodding into the meaning kakra 2025 nursing training application. Ebimo cancer it is going to be kind of difficult. More monty tree, me patchola be catch some translator. We and ye de adwuma na ye no so sebi enya agorobi and ye die enti no ye ne abre papa enti so unum se unti twi dia. I'm very sorry, you have to find a translator and then the person is going to tell you at least the points are what this video man. I'm going to break it down in the description na me wait me enya enti asakakra ye me pa kan na ne say if you are ready to apply to health training institutions in 2025-26 academic year, there are a lot of things you have to know. Maybe you are a new applicant or maybe you have applied already. You have applied countless times. I mean, years back. But things didn't work out. But we are not doing this for the only 3 speakers. And please get into my DM right away. There is a vibe in the new activities also in the country. Only all those current affairs no update. You just have to hit my DM and make sure you grab a copy of the nursing interview guide 2025 by Director Mickey. PDF compilation kesiepa 444. We are going to add you to a nursing group, and then after that we are going to be taking you through individuals performances obetimi performing interview room honum. We are going to be taking you through the individual differences when it comes to the programs you learned at school, your previous school, and as a SHS bibia ehia se wo se wo hu nursing training application interview any admission some hono Director Mickey. You don't have to look anywhere else. On this channel, nursing training application, you have to subscribe to stay connected. You have to be watching the videos to the very end so that you are going to be getting all the gist. People watch to some parts, but now they pick your number. Please tell me more about nursing interview. We don't do it like that anywhere. Yeah, I mean that. And you just have to stick to the videos. Watch it. Your bundle. Na she video na kosi. On Chasia replay it You are going to understand every little bit of it. And maybe I can now my what me grab it, the necessary information. Now my application is very successful, even though it's going to be your first time. I mean, ABR now or apply first time, especially 2024 SHS graduates. Yeah, you have to be able to pass through once and for all. There have been a series of reapplication with some of my applicants. I don't really like it at all. Yes, any good vibe. You are going to be buying this guide. You will not pay attention to whatever we are going to tell you in the group and both in my DM. Now, I feel what to papa so interview ho. Now, omobusa unum director make you say hi. Now, mo ya wa enema bebre. This year we are going to put a lot of things in place. Ebe boamo nursing training applicants, we invest in impona hojeme guide na uhu eso emfaso. Enye kasa bebre was hard way. It's a nursing training application guide by Director Mickey. My no comprehensively. A more 18 pages. So she more bibi abekoso. Oji anu wi ansa na yede aptitude test de ebeka ho. Or personal way a okosua o school mu electives yede no so guide ebeka ho ye be no both programs what you say core and then the electives very very neat. Now I feel we so one or form because I know of the difficulties what country no more. What would your own difficulties no wait my anytime studio mama why. Now be at my camera. So the nursing forms are going to be coming estimatedly because we be able to see government for eba any national military training association is an as for no omo with the new government na etimi etusi etimi style eno no empanche say bia enoma bedane bebre sa mom de but then changes bit me about. If I tell you forms are going to come this date, that's a bounce way. So all you have to do is to stay connected. If possible, come get the guide and join the group so that every update before you go apply. Number one, yes, silly mistakes be I may drop your application. Meeting at the director Mickey, Ghana's youngest creative director and content creator. I feel so many last year and the last 2 years, 24-25 academic year, and 23-24 academic year. I said, I'm out for a lot of mistakes. I'm going to be handling all those mistakes in here so that you really understand what not to do before forms beba. Are you not going to subscribe? You have to subscribe, sure. Into neighboring common more space way the who peka who said director Mikia. Nah, just a baby at me. I come. Medical catch us subscribe already. Or subscribe, it helps you stay connected. So that anytime I drop a new video, you are going to be the first person to grab hands onto. That is if you are online. Oba so data crabon se pa aba nursing training application director make it drops a video, new video, then watch now. No about so come on. Na BBI fine. Now subscribe me a notification icon and no answer na beba phone no control panel no so na washa na BBI at me I fine at the aboa application no. Meeting at the director make it in medical can. Aye, yebe boamo. Why? Nursing training no ebe kama na bibia akoso.